Okay, hi guys. I'm finally going to put out a video showing you how I make my lip gloss. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll let you know what I use. I don't really have a formula that I use to make the lip gloss, so I can't give you quite the measurements, but I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this video done because it is 1:40 and I have to get out this house to go to the gym. So let's go ahead and get everything we need. Okay, so I'm not gonna be making a whole lot, so in just a little bit. After washing your hands, I use sanitizer. So that's my personal preference. You don't have to if you, I guess if you don't want to. I try to keep everything sanitized and clean. I've already cleaned down my table, and let's put some gloves on, and I will show you what all I have. First of all, I just use get a box of gloves. So gloves. Of course, you're gonna need the lip gloss base, which I get mine off of Amazon, and I usually, or from the TKB website. It's cheaper. Castor oil, coconut oil. I do have the okay, I'm not going to struggle to pronounce this. I will put it up on the screen, and that's what this is. I have the coloring, the flavor, syringe, pipette, and this is the pipette. And I have squeeze tubes. I'm gonna do squeeze tubes today. I'm only gonna do a few of them. So. So this is the consistency I'm looking for my lip gloss. Let's see if you guys can see that. And the consistency is just okay. So that's what I'm looking for. So once I get my consistency set, everything mixed, that's when I add the powder and the flavor. The flavor is pretty strong. I don't need to add very much of it. That's why it's so small. So now this is more of a gold color, and with this lip gloss, with adding this, it gives it a pink tint, and the color comes out so great. It comes out amazing. So that's how much flavoring I put in, and I also add to the color. That's where I get this signature color from. So this is how I make my signature Lavado lip gloss. Of course, if you want to order some from me, just go to lavado.com. Hit me up if you have any questions. Like if you want more videos. I will be putting another video up on how I actually take my pictures in my videos of my lip gloss to advertise them on Instagram. Thank you.